Hey, it's Ronan. I received a comment on my last video where I showed how to develop rhythm and chords, and the comment reads, if possible, show how to do this with the Pirates of the Caribbean song, He is a Pirate. I was able to find the notes, but I don't know how to play with chords and what chord progression to play with. Really great question, and I thought I would do a demonstration. I have my accordion here, I have my keyboard. I know the song, I've pulled it up. Let's listen to it quickly. I played it years ago, but I don't know the song. So what do? Wonderful. This is what you have to this user. You have the sheet music, you've pulled it up. Maybe you've done it by ear, but you kind of have that melody. Wonderful. I know the rest of the song, at least the beginning. I don't know the chords. I could guess the chords, but I haven't done this yet. I'm gonna Google, He is a Pirate chords. And we have here Pirates of the Caribbean, He's a Pirate chords, again from Ultimate Guitar. Let's see what it is. We have a chord chart, D minor, B flat, A minor, D minor, B flat, F, C, D minor. I just want to look at those two chords, two chord lines, D minor, ba 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 ba. I'm going to sing along to the chords. Let me bring my accordion, just because it's called Accordion Love. But this works on any instrument. I might demonstrate it on guitar after. D minor. I don't care about being fast. D minor to B flat to A minor to D minor. Those three chords, D minor, B flat, and A minor, I need to know perfectly. I'm going to make a little change. D minor, B flat to C to D minor. Right? Ba 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 ba. Just line one. When I'm starting to explore, I know those chords. Ba 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 ba. That sounds nice. Ba 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 ba. I could do we can keep going. Do I know the chords? Yes, I know the song's in D minor, and the other chords are going to go all the way from B flat, F, C, G minor, and D minor, with an A minor too. Do I know those chords on my right hand? Sure. Let's work on hands separately though. I could sustain the left hand. Good. I want a bit more rhythm, so I'm going to start with the simplest. Right, at no point am I looking at the sheet music right now. These three chords, I want to remember. I might write them down. D minor, B flat, C, D minor. That would be my practice. Right hand too, D minor, triads and arpeggios. B flat, C major, if you can without looking, but at first looking. Together and separate. Look at accordionlove.com. Eventually I'm going to start to play them together. Boom, pa, D minor to B flat, to C, to D minor to B flat, to C, to D minor, ba 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 ba. What does this mean? Now that I know those chords, maybe it can be a waltz. Those are the chords in a waltz. As a tango, right? I'm exploring that rhythm. Do I want it as a polka? What I encourage you to start to do, which is what we learn on Accordion Love, is how to derive the melody. Again, I've done it for a while, but this is how we begin to explore rhythm and chord changes, just like guitar players. Guitar players, I happen to have a guitar. I don't consider myself to be a guitar player, but we have a guitar. Hopefully it's in tune. Let's see. D minor. Wonderful. What I like to do, let me show you. We don't need these chords anymore. How I learn. I feel it. I like to put drums a bit more chill. Oh, missed it. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and good. 1, 2, 3. Oh. I actually don't know the chords. Now I could practice my melody from your sheet music, right? I have my recorder here. Right? This is all practicing. What tools do you have at your disposal to help you understand these chords? Why do we do it this way? You could read the sheet music. I think we all started to learn that way. But within a week, the song disappears. You spend 3 months learning a piece and it's perfect and it's fast. But then a few months later, it's gone. What I love to do, what I've learned over the last 20 years, is that understanding the chord structure. D minor, B flat, C, D minor. That's same as, and as we wind on down the road, right? There must be some way out of here. So many songs share that chord progression. I'll remember the song 10 years from now, at least this beginning of it, if I actually sit down and learn it in a similar way with sheet music, with loops and all these things. That's how I learn it. But realize that at no point here am I reading the sheet music. At no point here am I trying, is it D minor, this D minor? No, it could be D. Maybe it's the full chord. I'm making the song my own so that I understand it, so it's me playing it, not just a recording. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.